dancing to the storm, a journey to the transformation. Tonight, I want to take you on a journey that began in the middle of life's storm, but ends with transformation, friends, even joy. This speech is not just about sharing my story. It's about giving you 3 powerful keys that can help you shift your perspective. Rebuild from within, and rise from burden ever. I call them the 3 pillars of transformation: inner peace, self-confidence, and authentic relationship. And I will show you how they are help me rebuild so you can use them on your life too. But first, let me begin with a quote who helped me. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about to learn how to dance in the rain. Vivian Greens. That quote reminds me, it's not the storm who defines us. It's how we choose to move from it. Inner peace. Inner peace is the foundation of all transformation. It's not about avoid life's storm. It's about finding calm within there. Picture yourself standing on the eyes of a king, calm, centered, unshaken. White chaos strive around you. That kind of peace begins when we let go of the past, the regrets, boom, the respect, boom, the pain of the past, let them go. You can't change your past, but you can change how you show up today. And that changes implicate. Take a deep breath and have the present moment. Exhale the way you have been carried. Peace doesn't come from the outside. It's grow inside you. And when it's there, it's become the ground where you rebuild yourself. 2, building self-confidence. Next, self-confidence is not arrogant. It's a deep belief in your word. That's in a voice that says, yes, you can. Because you have value, you have power in your S, waiting for you to validate them. The real confidence comes from within. It's built by facing your fear, by celebrating your little victory, by reminding yourself you are enough. Confidence is the bridge between dream and reality. The bridge you walk yourself. PR3, cultivated relationship. The 3rd pillar is authentic connection. Relationship that real, respectful, and basic on love. But to be real with others, you have to be first consequent with yourself. When you surround yourself with people who support you, who celebrate your win, and hold your pace during the trouble, you create a circle that lifts you higher. Authentic, authentic love doesn't keep score. It gives freely. When you love like that, you open the door to the lasting connection. From attitude to altitude, I ask you, what if your challenges weren't obstacle, but invitation to rise? What if you shifted your attitude and to altitude? From that higher view, you see life differently. You see the meaning behind the pain, the beauty in the past, the strength that was always there. In conclusion, tonight, we touch on 3 pillars: finding peace, building confidence, and creating real connection. When you align with this, you become unstoppable. No one can stop you. And I invite you now, let's go. Let's go off all that not save you. Trust who you are. Connect with others in the place of love. Together, let's rise and dance to the star. Thank you.